we hear a lot about the incidences where they talk about accidents, they talk about crimes, they talk about so many things which are not legal, they are illegal, or sometimes people do it for their own selfish reasons. So we hear about the murders, mysteries, suspense thrillers, and lot many things. And there are many writers who convert them into the stories. And today we are talking about such a story, that is Whisperers in the Hive. You might have heard about murders by people who murder them. People hire uh, another person to murder them. They murder through knives, they murder through, so many weapons like pistol or other things. But today we are talking about a murderer who may be a bee, and how did he or she did that. So we are going to talk about that today. We have a wonderful author with us who is much into mysteries, murder, suspense, thrillers, Nupur Luthra.
Thank you so much for having me. That is like a wonderful introduction and wasn't expected, but thank you so much.
So I was thinking a lot how to introduce the book and you. So I found it best
I
to
think you
introduce you.
justified the introduction and the book.
Thank you so much. So Nupur, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. And welcome to the Book Talks by Jashni.
Thank you so much for having me. I mean, I've known you for a long time. It's always a pleasure meeting you. So,
Same here. And so today we are going to talk about this newest Whisperers in the Hive. So please tell our audience little about the book.
see, this is a book that I didn't think I'd write, or at least didn't think I'd come up with a unique murder weapon. Who knew? Who think actually? I didn't think bees could murder people. We've heard of bees stinging somebody or a snake bite or a dog bite. I actually didn't realize that a bee could actually lead to a murder. So this book is involved around a bee and how it's murdered somebody. I mean, shouldn't give away too much, so I'll leave it at that. I think people should read the book and maybe find out a little more later. So
But what was the thought behind making be a murderer?
I actually, I like animals, and somehow I've seen bees stinging people, people going into shock, people, having this face swell up or their eyes or their hands.
Yes.
I was like, if they can cause such a reaction, why not make them the murder weapon? So that's how I came about, and I was like, you know what, make it a unique murder mystery. Instead of having a normal, regular person murder someone, why not have a bee murder someone?
It's a wonderful idea actually by writing, but not an actual idea. Someone can steal this idea as well. Maybe you have revealed how this happened in the story, of course. So I'm leaving it to readers how
Of
they take it,
course.
and what more into it, and how you want to, explain your readers why they should read this suspense thriller.
See, it's not like a regular murder mystery movie or a book that you read or you watch. This is a very interesting, unique kind of murder mystery that I've written, and got so involved in it that I had to get myself out of the book. I kept having dreams of a bee murdering me.
Oh,
So I used to get up with, anxiety and, sweating all over, and I was like, oh God. So I want my readers to enjoy the book, not have goosebumps, but yes, definitely enjoy the book and do give their reviews on Amazon or Insta. But yeah, I hope they enjoy the book.
and I'm sure that people are gonna enjoy it. And so this is request from our side as well. People will go through your book. They should read it, and I think reviewing is very must, because author also get the idea how the book is going, how the book is doing, and if the readers are loving it or not. So Nupur, what is next coming from your side?
I haven't really thought about it that much, but I have an idea of maybe having a mixture of a murder mystery and love story together. Still working on it, so I think I shall say tell my readers to stay tuned and see what happens next.
Okay, so it's a wrap up from our side. Anything else you would like to tell your readers from your side? Any message of yours?
I just feel that readers should read and go to bookstore, sit in it, read for hours, and if they have a book to write of their own, you write one, see how it goes, but don't stop reading. And do buy my book.
Great. Where all your book is available?
It's available in all the leading stores in Gurgaon, Noida, Pune. So if you get the chance over the weekend, do buy it.
Great. Is it available online as well?
Yes, it's available online on Amazon. So whenever you have the time, either offline or online, I definitely prefer offline because I love the smell of books, and the idea of going to a bookstore is very exciting. So yes,
Thank you so much for your time, Nupur. It was wonderful talking to you, and I'm sure readers gonna like your book.
my pleasure. It's always amazing talking to you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Book Talks by Jashni Vance. We'll keep coming with new books and new authors. Thank you so much.